Extreme poverty anywhere is a threat to security everywhere. In a country well governed, poverty is something to be ashamed of. Poverty is directly related to low standard of living. People below poverty line cannot afford nutritious food. Even clean water is a luxury for them. Their houses are made of material they found in garbage. They live in very unhygienic areas, leading them to deadly diseases.
When millions of us struggle to survive, human energy is diminished. When millions of us are still hungry, human potential is suffocated. This is what poverty is. Poverty is all about lack of hope, lack of enough material possessions or income to meet even the basic needs.
The International Day for Poverty Eradication is celebrated on 17th October. It was first observed on 17th October 1987. It is the international day which is celebrated to raise the awareness about the global spread of poverty. It provides the opportunity to acknowledge the struggles of poor people and provides them with the platform and the audience to have their issues, needs, and concerns heard. UN believes that when poverty hits child, it leads to lower income and poor health in adulthood. This day emphasizes on the effort to bring people out of poverty.
This year, the theme of International Day for Poverty Eradication is Building Forward Together, Ending Persistence Poverty, Respecting All People and Our Planet.
Now let's discuss about the causes of poverty. The first and the foremost cause is increase in population. Rapid growth of population has increased the dependency ratio. That means an earning member has more person to support. This causes lower per capita consumption expenditure, which is not enough even to meet the basic needs like food, shelter and clothes.
The second root cause of poverty is lack of education. Poverty is a cycle, and without education, people aren't able to better their situations. According to UNESCO, over 170 million people can be free of extreme poverty only if they had basic reading skills.
The another main cause of poverty is low level of production capacity and employment, due to which the level of poverty increases.
Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was launched in 2005 by Government of India. Under this act, Government of India provides 100 days of wage employment to those who are willing to do work. And this act is becoming extremely popular in rural areas, and it is one of the most important initiatives taken by our government.
The midday meal is a central finance scheme which is launched on 15 August 1995. Under this scheme, the children of class 1st to 8th are provided with free lunch except for holidays. This scheme is implemented in government-aided schools and other educational institutions.
Poverty is not an accident, it is man-made and can be removed.
Poverty is like a disease that we can always escape. There's a famous say that if you're born poor, it is not your mistake, but if you die poor, it is your fault. The expectations of the citizens for justice, rule of law, and healing are yet to be met to end poverty. The eradication of poverty seems to be a far-fetched idea, but if we work together, join our hands and start today, it seems to be achievable in near future.
Sometimes we think that poverty is being hungry and homeless, but the poverty of being unwanted, unloved, and uncared for is the greatest poverty. We must start from our homes to remedy this kind of poverty. Thanks a lot for your kind attention.